Very good, very good, mashallah. So, students, uh, 20 participants are there, okay, right now, and today the number of students are less.
Yes, sir.
So, 20th question is Naresh bought 2 whole number 2/3 kg of sugar. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, and Ramesh bought 1/3 kg, and Sunil bought 4/3 kg of sugar. So find the total amount of sugar bought by them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Isma and other one, you
So we
solve
have
it.
to add in this question.
Okay. I'm saying that how many students have solved this right now? Who are doing it right now?
Sir, I have to do, but I haven't checked my solution that was coming incorrect. I'll send you on your WhatsApp number. So if you will check it, so
Tell
then
me
only
you-
I will be able to move further.
Okay. You write me the answer. Tarish, Shanwaz, in the chat box, you write me the answer.
Sir, 5.4 12th question.
12th question in 5.4.
Sir, I have done.
Okay.
Wait,
What's
I am giving.
okay?
Wait, I'm giving the answer.
Okay.
Sir, can I send the photo
Sir,
to
12th
your
question?
personal number?
Question number 12. Yes, yes.
Okay, sir, I'm
Sir,
sending.
I have already completed it. So, should I send you the photo of it?
Oh, you send me only question number 12.
Okay, sir. I am asking. I have already completed it. So, should I send the photo?
You have completed this exercise or this question?
The first page number.
Exercise. Whole exercise.
Okay, but for the exercise, you have to submit me on the assignment. Okay, as in school app.
Sir, exercise I have submitted.
Okay, okay.
Page number.
Actually, I want to see the solution, the procedure the students adopting right now. Okay, because in this all knows we have to do additions. Okay, but actually, what I want to see, if this question comes in the examination or in the test assessment, then how will you able to answer it? Okay, tell me the
Okay,
answer,
sir, so-
then I will tell you the step.
Sir,
That's
I am telling you the answer, please.
okay. Tell me fast.
Sir, the
Answer is 22 by 3.
Okay.
7 whole
The answer is 22 by 3 or 7 whole
Oh.
1 upon
Page
3.
number.
Okay, okay. Listen, quiet. Okay, turn off your mic immediately. Okay, please.
Okay, sir.
Page number. Which page number you are teaching?
Beta, I'm teaching 5.4 exercise on page number 74 and 75.
So answer is 7 whole 1/3.
1/3. That's very good. Okay.
Yes, sir, I have
okay,
also had
okay.
a solution.
Listen, quiet for a second. Okay, please turn off your mic and put your hands down, Sarah. Please put your hands down. Why you are raising? You want to ask something? Okay, okay. Now, yes, Isma, you done it. You are raising your hand.
Sir, I want to ask in question number 4 and 5. 4, it is saying subtract the sum of 2:3/5
Beta,
and
Isma,
1
Isma, listen to me. I am now discussing question number 12. So first, let me clear this question to all of you. Then I will answer your question query also. Okay, beta. So question
Okay,
number
sir.
12. Yes, Charish, you done it, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So show me what's the
Yes, sir,
process.
I also did.
How you do it? You just add it or you are some writing write some.
No, sir. First, I have make
Sir,
it
I have
in
written
the
like
unlike fractions. First, I have made whole numbers into unlike fractions,
Okay.
and then I have, and then I got 22/3 after adding all of them,
Okay.
and then I have divided 3 to 22. I have divided 3 to 22. Then I got 7. 7 whole 1/3.
Okay.
sir,
That's
same my
right.
step is
That's
like.
right.
Sir, I
But
can also tell.
wait for a second. Yes, mute every Faizan, mute. Beta,
we have understood.
there is a, as this is a
Sir,
word,
which page number is going on?
beta, I am telling this again and again. 5.4
5.4.
exercise on page number 74. So I am sharing the solution of this to the whole class. In this, as this is a word problem, so write it you have to write some
Sir.
given parameter also, and what are the steps you are following. Okay, I'm sharing it the screen.
Sir,
Okay,
the way I did
Sir,
this
can
question,
you do question number
I have sent
7?
you
Mute everyone.
the photo of my
Okay, you
question.
send me the only the photo of question number 12. Only the question number 12. I'm just seeing it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You send me on my WhatsApp the photo of this question only.
Sir, I have sent.
You've already shared.
Okay.
Sir, I only question number 12.
Yes, only question number 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are seeing this. You have to do like this. Okay. Naresh bought 2/3 kg of sugar. Now you convert this 8/3 of kg of sugar. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ramesh bought 1/3 kg of sugar, and it will convert it to 10/3 kg of sugar. Sunil bought 4/3 kg of sugar. Total amount of sugar will be, okay, as this is I think it is a 5 marks question or 4 marks question will become in the test. So you have to do in this way. Okay. If
Okay,
que-
sir.
and if
You
questions,
said this, I have
listen,
done like this.
listen beta, if questions like question number 1 and question number 2 of the same exercise, okay, in that you have to add or you have to subtract in question number 2 and question number 1, as I am saying of. Okay, so in that you have direct steps, just add it or subtract it. But in word problem, do like this. Okay. One has sent me the
Okay,
solution.
sir.
Sharis has sent me the solution. Okay.
Sir, I have given the solution.
Okay. Wait.
I want
Sir,
to
I
ask.
have also sent you the solution.
Okay. Sharis, okay. Why you cut this the language which you written?
So it was not a language, it was my another work. Actually, I am doing this in a rough notebook. That's why.
Okay. So you are seeing the solution. All students, whatever will be the
Yes, sir.
word problem should be done like this. Okay.
I want to ask you.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to write these statements also, Naresh bought, and these
Listen,
types of Ramesh.
Listen, beta. In mathematics,
Yes,
you
sir, we have to
you
write
just
the statement.
you just write in very short as you can, because in math just you have to tell what is going on in the question. Okay. So Ramesh
Okay,
bought
sir.
itna kg of sugar. Okay, don't write
Sir,
Ramesh bought itna 3 and itna sugar and Naresh got this. Not in a complete 3 lines or 2 lines. Separately you have to write Naresh bought itna sugar, Ramesh bought itna sugar, and total amount of sugar will be the summation of this, as you are seeing on the screen.
you can tell again because your voice is not clear. So you can tell.
Okay.
Sir, you can tell again because your voice is not clear.
Okay, please turn off your
Tell
mic. I'm
again,
telling it
sir.
again. Yes.
Sir, my step is correct like you only.
Okay.
Sir, I have done like this only.
Beta, this is the way. Word problem should be done like this. Okay. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now do question number 8 immediately, fast.
Question number 8.
Yes, and tell me the solution.
You can tell again. Tell again
Which question, beta?
because you was 12.
Okay. Beta, in 12 question, it is given that Naresh bought 2/3 kg of sugar, and Ramesh is another guy who also bought sugar, and Sunil also bought sugar. Okay. 3% purchases the sugar, and they are expressed in mixed fraction. So first you convert it, and we have to find in this question the total amount of sugar bought by 3 of them. Okay. So you in this the steps which you are seeing on the screen should be like this. Okay. Language should be changed according to you. Okay.
Sir, I can tell answer.
Yes,
Answer
you
of
can.
question number 8.
Yes, question number 8.
The
Yes,
answer
please.
is 5. 5/3 in mixed fraction we will write 1 whole 2/3.
No, sir. The solution of question number 8 is
Sir,
2 meters.
1 whole 5/3 is correct.
5/3
yes,
is
sir.
correct, and when it is written in mixed fraction, then it will be
Yes,
1 whole
1 whole
2/3.
2/3.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Beta-
I have sent you. Please check.
Sir,
What's your name?
Ruqayya.
Okay, Ruqayya, let me check. Yes, Ruqayya, Mantasha, both have sent me the
Sir,
solution. Yes, beta.
my solution of question number 8 is 2 meters.
Question number 8. No,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
It's question number 8. Length of ribbon. I am telling you. Let me see the check the solution. Okay. Okay. What is the length of the ribbon? In question number 8, it is 4 1/3. Okay.
Sir, 13/3.
Okay.
Okay,
Beta.
sir. Now I get it. I wrote it wrong actually. Sorry. My
Okay.
mistake, sir.
Okay. Beta, listen me, please. Listen me, please. Okay. Beta, this is your maths. At least don't speak. Okay. Just understand first, then speak. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time, and you tell your queries one by one. Yes, beta. This format, you understood this format of writing the solution?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, can you please tell me seven question?
Okay, beta. I'm telling you. Rukaiya, beta. Rukaiya.
Yes, sir.
Rukaiya, you also do the addition only. Okay. You did, you write Ramesh 3 1/3. What is this? No one understands. Sunil 4/3. And what is this? I'm not getting kg of sugar bought. This is right. Ramesh 3/3. At least you should write a little bit more. A little more information should be delivered by writing your statement. Okay. Is it clear, Rukaiya?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes,
So can you please tell me question number 7?
question number 7. Okay, beta, Sunil did 3/7 of his work on Sunday. Suppose that tomorrow is Saturday and you have to complete your work 3/7. Okay. And on Sunday you will do 2/7 work. Okay. So on your weekends means Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So in Saturday and Sunday, how much work you did completed? So you have to add Saturday work. You
For
have
that,
to
we will add.
you have to add Sunday work. Okay, listen one thing more, beta. All of you to the entire class. This subject makes you percentage high, and this subject makes your percentage low. So please do practice as much as you can. First thing, second thing is that you know the addition and subtraction of fractions. All of them. You know na?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Very
Alhamdulillah.
good.
Sir.
I know all of the students, all the students in the class knows addition and subtraction of fraction. But what happened during examination? Basically, language. If you understand the language, then you will able to do. Okay. Just now, as I'm telling, she also reply me. You have to add it. Okay. So if you understood it earlier also, then you yourself add it. Okay. So what will be the answer of
Yes, sir.
7?
This happened with me also in question number 5.
Beta, so for this, na, you have
Say,
to
I wasn't
have-
able to understand it.
you have to read the question twice, thrice, many times. Okay. Yes, Mantasha send me the solution.
Then my father told me, explained me the question.
So wait, I am sending you my
No,
solution of question number 7.
Mantasha,
Check it, is it correct or not?
Mantasha. Okay. Beta, Mantasha.
Sir, I am also sending.
Question number 7.
Sir, can I send you question number 7?
Okay.
517.
Okay. You can also send me. Okay, on my number right
Number
now,
7.
one by one question. And
Please send me question number 9.
question number 9. Okay.
Sir, please tell me question number 11.
Beta, turn off your mic, beta. Ubada.
Yes, sir. My mic is
Which
I'm
question?
muted.
Which question you are asking?
Sir, can I send you question number 7? Pick
Yes,
your personal number.
yes, beta.
Please,
Mantasha, please be online. I am to say something to you. Mantasha. Mantasha, beta.
send you a message for writing his
Exercise number 4.1.
Okay. Please. Again, I'm saying, please send your questions to me on my WhatsApp and then submit the assignment later. Okay. But you have to submit today by 8 p.m. This exercise. This is clear. First thing. Second thing, I'm saying this to send the answers in my number because many of the students, Mantasha also do the same thing. He just write the names and starting the calculation. Beta, you write Ramesh is equals to 3 whole 1/3. So what is this Ramesh? Ramesh purchased or Ramesh bought sugar in this format, because in this way, if you are write the things, then it is clear. And second important thing, which is very clear, please try to practice this thing. try to solve the numericals very clearly. Okay, make margins or make one column. Okay, and do it, because some starting doing the first 3 lines are in the same align, they are aligned 3 lines, then remaining 3 or 4 lines are out of the way, out of the track. So please try to do this. Okay, please send me the solution. No one has sent me yet.
Okay, sir. I also submitted my exercise
Yeah.
5.4 without showing you the answers.
Sir, now
please
please
check
can you tell question number
Yes,
9?
okay,
Inshallah,
beta.
Taala, from the next exercise, I will send you the answers.
Ruqayya, now Ruqayya, you did correct on Saturday. He did itna. On Sunday, he did.
Screen is not visible.
Okay, beta. Now
Sir,
is it
please tell me question number 11.
okay? Wait, beta. I'm telling you. Okay,
Jazakallah, sir.
Sir,
okay.
please tell us to do one question.
Beta,
So, Jazakallah.
beta, listen. Start doing one by one and sending me the solution right now. Now, who is this? Ruqayya, send me correct format also. He done the solution of question number 7.
Sir?
Ji, yes, please.
question. So, we have to send which question?
Beta, starting any question and send it to me. I just want to see the format, the way you are writing. First thing, second thing is that do it clean. Okay, it should be work should be neat and clean. Okay, you see the alignment. I'm trying align the solutions in a way. Okay, try to align the all the equal sign one under another. Okay, so it should be look
Okay, sir.
proper.
Sir, this exercise I submitted my assignment. This
Okay,
exercise I
Faizan
submitted.
and Send-
without
sent the
seeing
solution of
answers. So,
7
inshallah,
question on your
Yes,
question number.
that's Faizan and send me, and this is good in this way. Very good. Faizan Khan.
Sir, my
And-
solution is not coming correct. Please check it how it is not coming correct. I send you.
Beta, which what's your name? Shari is okay done.
Share it.
Okay. Which question? This is 8 question, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, you are rating 6/3, then is equals to 2. Then 0/3, how 0 is there?
Sir.
Listen, I am talking to, please everyone mute yourself. Okay. Yes, beta, Sharis.
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me how 0 comes in the numerator.
Actually, sir, I have made it in whole number. Actually, I want to ask, can I make like this? So I
No,
have
no.
made.
This is wrong. You know, you can check also if you how you convert makes into improper. You just multiplying and adding the numerator. This is the way, na?
Sir, you have taken my.
Yes, sir.
Beta, wait. I am first complete your confusion. Okay. When you multiply 3 into 2, this will be 6. Okay.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear? And 0 will be
Yes.
added. So you just simplify it. When you simplify it, 6/3, it will comes 2 automatically. Okay. So leave it as 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any more confusion? Yes, students, send me quick.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes,
I
beta.
have sent. Sir, I
Ruqayya,
have sent
Ruqayya,
you question,
Ruqayya send me. Question number 4, Ruqayya
question
send me.
number 4. Please check it.
Question number 4, that is 3/5. Ruqayya, please try to do with pen, okay? Because it is little bit difficult for me to read it. Okay, Ruqayya? Okay, try to solve
Sir,
with
pen or pencil?
pen, beta. Because it will be
Sir,
more.
I have written it pen only.
Who is this? This is Ruqayya. Okay, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Your
I
use-
have
okay.
written with pen.
Okay, it's in black or it's okay. That's 2 whole number 3/5. Okay, but your in answer okay, its answer is 3 whole number 3/3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait,
Sir, I wanted to say that in question number 8, I did a mistake and shared the assignment on IMS LGF. So can you see it?
Beta,
Can you see the
assignment.
mistake?
Actually, I tell you the mistake. What's your name? Let me write your name.
Sir, Obada.
Yes, Ubada, please.
Sir?
Ubada, I will check it. Okay.
Question number 8, the number was 2 whole 2/3.
So
In
by
question
mistake,
number-
I wrote
in
7
question-
upon 3 instead of 8 upon.
Listen, beta, everyone.
Question number 8.
Listen, everyone. Okay. Actually, please, in mathematics, you should be very much conscious while writing the solution. Okay. You know it. You know addition also. You know the method. You know what to do. Either you have to add or either you have to subtract. Okay. So by mistake, what happened? The students in hurry makes 7
Sir,
as
I problem in question number 10 and 9. So you can tell me and see the query, please.
Okay, okay. I am telling you question number 10. Okay. Mrs. Sood bought 5 1.2
Sir, see
liters.
your screen is not visible.
Solution of 8
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm not getting how to solve question number 11.
Beta, I am telling you question number 10
I
first.
understand
Beta,
solution
wait,
of-
wait, wait, beta. I am telling question number 10 first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Beta, wait for a second.
Yeah.
Let me complete question number 10. Okay. Mrs. Sood
okay,
brought
Okay, sir.
5 1.2 liters of milk. Okay.
the screen
Out-
not visible.
Beta, I am just explaining the question first. Okay, listen it.
Okay, sir.
Mrs. Sood bought 5 1.2 liters of milk. Out of this, 3 1.2 liters of milk was consumed. How much milk is left? So 5 1.2 is the total quantity of milk she bought. Okay. Out of this quantity, 5 1.2, she consumed 3 1.2 liters of milk. So how much is left? Okay. So what you have to do, if you have 10 toffees
Sir,
and you have,
subtracted.
very good, and you give 3 toffees to your uh, younger brother. Okay, so how many left? What you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this way you have to do this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
understand question number
Sir, I have sent the answer of
11.
This
Sir,
question,
can you tell me question number 11?
this is question number 10. Clear?
Not properly. Not properly.
Which question you want, beta? I'm explaining it to you.
10 and 9. 10 and 9.
10 beta, just I told you, I'm telling you the 9. The cost of pen is 9 okay, and that of pencil is 3 1.5. What is more, which costs more and by how much? Okay, suppose you purchase a pen and it costs rupees 3. Okay, and you purchase a pencil, it costs 1. So which pen is costlier, pen or pencil? Okay, I am telling you in an easy way also. You purchase two
Sir,
things.
pen cost is more and buy
Listen to me. You purchase two
Please.
things, okay, A and B. A costs rupees 5 and B costs rupees 3. Okay, so which thing you purchase with more cost? Item one number A. Okay, is it clear? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you purchase two things with different amount of money. So you can tell that this thing is purchased with a more cost as compared to the another one. Okay, how you see? You will tell it by comparing the price of both the things. Okay, and how much it is costlier? What you have to do? You have to subtract the cost of the things.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
the cost of pen is given as 9/2/5. Then when you convert it, it will become 47/5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Not
Okay.
clear. Why is And, it- and sir, the pencil
Why
cost
is
will
not
be
clear?
3/5.
Sir, please check my answer.
Your screen is not visible.
Sir, it is visible.
The yes, beta. Question number 9. I am writing on my screen also. Okay, wait. Yes, my voice is audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Your voice is audible.
Okay, okay. So, cost of pen will be given as 9, 2 upon 5. Okay. Then it will converted and become 47 upon 5. Is it clear?
Sir, it will become 47 upon 5.
Yes. Is it clear? So cost of
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
pencil
Sir, I'm
is
doing myself and then I will send you.
okay. Cost of pencil is 3.
Sir, cost of pencil
Three
is
one
3
upon
whole 1
5.
upon 5.
So it will be your 16
Sir, it
upon
will
5.
become 16 upon
16 upon
5.
5.
16 upon 5.
Sir,
Okay.
now we will minus it.
As you see the listen beta, everyone listen to me carefully. As you see the denominators are same. Okay, they are like fractions. Just you
Yes, sir, they are all, the both are like fractions.
okay, so just you see the numerator, which numerator has big number. Okay, so 47 upon 5, 47 upon 5,
sir.
okay, is
Minus 16 upon 5.
so 47 upon 5 is bigger than 16
Yes,
upon
sir.
5. So this
Yes, sir.
how from this
Smaller.
from which part this comes? This comes from the cost of pen. Okay, so
Yes,
cost
sir.
of pen is greater as pencil. Okay,
And cost of pencil is less, sir.
and how much was the
And
difference?
sir, the pen is great. The pen's price is greater than the pencil by 15 rupees.
Because you know numerator 47 is bigger as compared to the numerator of pencil, that is 16. You know na, when
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes, sir.
when the denominators are same, you just
Sir.
check the numerators only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
The answer will be 31 upon 5.
very good, mashallah. Okay, alhamdulillah,
And
your performance is getting better, alhamdulillah, or from entire class. So please wait for a second.
Sir, answer
sir,
is
if we
replace 6
will,
whole 1 by 5.
convert
Sir, the answer will be
made the form, then
31.5,
get it.
which is 6 whole 1
upon
upon 5.
5.
Sir, we will convert it into
6 whole 1 upon 5.
There was some
Sir,
comment.
the answer will be the pen costs more than the pencil by 15 rupees.
No,
you
sir,
can
it will be the pen cost is more by and by
Sir, I
6
have
whole
sent
1
you
upon
solution.
5
Kindly check
rupees.
it.
Okay, now you understood these things.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
sir.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes,
So,
sir.
beta, this exercise you have to complete today, okay? And try to solve question exercise number 5.5. Yes, go to page number.
Okay, sir.
No addition, subtraction of unlike fractions.
Sir, what?
Addition and subtraction of like fractions, you do it. Okay, you know it how to do.
Okay.
Can you
Yes,
able
sir, we
to
know.
can you able to add or subtract unlike fractions also by taking the LCM
Yes,
as
sir.
you did also?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, but if
sir,
you
we
will
can.
check it, it will be more
Yes,
better
sir.
because it will
Okay,
revise it.
Explain question
will-
number 11.
Beta, wait.
Sir, I understood this question.
Very good. I will also tell you again the addition, subtraction, unlike fractions. Yes, students, this exercise is clear to everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen to
Sir,
it.
I just
Yes, sir.
Listen to me carefully. Listen to me
Yes,
carefully.
sir.
Inshallah, in the coming week, okay, we will have the test of this chapter.
okay, sir.
And another thing
Okay,
that
Okay, sir.
listen to me also. Another thing is that I will take tests frequently so that your chapters will be clear to you. Okay. If you give me test
Yes, sir.
chapter wise, then it
Okay,
will
sir.
be easy. Okay. Then
Sir,
after
please check the
When
chapter
will
1.
be the test?
beta, please speak one by one. Then it is very difficult.
Sir, I have understood.
Very good. Yes, who
Sir,
is
I am
saying?
saying that please
Sir.
check the
Sir, when the
test of
test will be?
Sharish, what you are saying? You are saying something. Faizan, wait for a second. Okay.
No, sir, Babi sick.
Okay. So, yes, question number 11. Who is asking me question number 11?
Sir, I.
Ishma. Hamza Kamal.
Hamza.
Okay, Hamza. Hamza, beta, in question number 11, sorry, a piece of wire 4/9 meter long is cut. Okay, you have a certain length of wire. Okay, and you cut into two pieces. Okay, if one piece is 5/9, suppose that if you have a length of wire and you cut it in two pieces, and if one piece, the length of one piece of the wire after cutting is 5/9. So what is the length of the remaining piece? What you have to do? Suppose you have
So you have to do minus.
you have to do subtraction. Okay,
So but I'm not getting but answer
First-
is coming wrong when
first-
I'm doing.
do it and send it to me. Let me check on my WhatsApp
Okay,
number.
sir.
Okay, first convert it mixed into proper. Okay, and then start subtracting and then send it to me. Yes, steps.
Okay, sir.
All these beta, all these steps is clear to you. How to write in the test?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
inshallah.
when you will take maths test,
I will announce you, but it will.
sir,
Yes,
and
but-
physics also.
Yes, inshallah. Beta, whatever I will going to take the test, I will inshallah inform you. Is it happens anytime that any test took place without informing to the students?
No, sir.
Then-
Sir.
No, sir.
No,
So,
sir.
so beta, okay. Now give me the solution of question number 3 and part 3 on page 75. Please send it.
5.
Sir, on your WhatsApp number. Question number third,
Yes.
third part.
Beta,
Okay, sir.
listen. Assignment. Listen,
Question third part.
question 3
Sir-
third part. 7/24 plus 9/24 minus 1/24 plus 11/24.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I am asking you which exercise? Exercise 5.5.
Beta, no, it's page number 75, exercise 5.4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this
Sir?
exercise, yes, beta.
You have asked me.
Wait. Do question 3 third part. Is it clear?
Sir,
Ah,
I have solved just now.
okay. All the assignments should be submitted on the app, and the way you are solving to me or I'm asking to solve on the class, you send it to me on my number. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Alhamdulillah, listen class, this
Okay, sir.
exercise is completely discussed in the class. Okay. So complete this exercise and also 5.5. Okay. Yes,
Okay,
beta.
sir.
So these two things will be very easy. Okay, just sit and only 1 to 2 hours required for completing this work. Okay.
Sir, this is our homework.
Beta, this exercise is completed right now in the class. You
Yes,
just
sir.
you
I have
just
sent you.
okay. You also do 5.5 and whatever you are having the problems you are encounter with the problem while doing the solution, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
As soon as I get the time, I will reply you. Okay.
Sir, I
So,
wanted to
I am listen to me, beta. Okay, this meeting is about to over on Zoom. I will continue 5 minutes on the WhatsApp. Listen this carefully. That, listen, I am saying that
5.5 उन्होंने बच्चों को होमवर्क पे दे
beta,
दिया
beta, who is speaking
पूरा
in
का
Urdu?
पूरा
Beta, who is speaking this in Urdu? Huh?
अच्छा 5.5 का simplify the following ये भी करना है और वो पूरा करना है 5.4 का वो करना है
5.4 and try to do 5.5. If you have any problem, who is speaking Isma? Why you speaking in Urdu? Huh? So this you have to do and listen this thing. Please do the things
Sir, please check my work. I have sent.
I will send. Listen the instructions I'm going to tell you. In chemistry test, your performance, 2 or 3 students perform very good. So you have a chance to enhance your marks in maths and physics. So start practicing physics numericals and the maths
Okay, sir.
numericals. Okay, beta. So this
Okay,
topic,
sir.
this topic is clear to you. Today's exercise 5.4.
Yes, sir.
Beta,
Yes, I
only
wanted to say one thing.
yes, beta, please.
Yes, sir. I was saying this that in question number 8, Arabian is 4 whole 1/3 meters long, is cut into 2 pieces. The length of one piece is 2 whole 2/3 meters. So, sir, by mistake in normal fraction, I wrote it 7/3 instead of 8/3. So, sir, and I also